Hello creators, welcome back to RegisterKaro, and today we'll talk about how to start an Instagram business from account setup to sales, ads and analytics. This step-by-step guide will help you to turn your followers into your customers. So let's get started. So firstly, start with the right account type. It unlocks insights, ads, shopping and contact buttons. So download Instagram app, create your personal account, go to profile, settings and privacy, then account type and tools. Switch to professional, choose business and add category and contact information, and connect to Facebook page for Meta Business Suite access. Now define your niche and ideal customer. Clarity beats everything. Define who you serve and tailor every post for them. What problem do you solve? Demographics and a competitive scan. Next, optimize your profile. Profile photo, username, bio, highlights, everything. Also business categories and action buttons. Now craft a consistent visual brand. Instagram is visual. Make your grid unmistakable. Pick a color palette and 2 typography styles, consistent lighting and photo composition. Create templates for carousels, quotes and product posts. Plan content in a 2 to 4 week grid to maintain consistency. Now the content strategy, like what to post. You can choose from hero posts, help posts, behind the scenes, social proof, short videos and stories. The posting frequency, start with 3 to 5 feed posts per week plus daily stories and 2 to 4 reels per week. Also use optimized hashtags, captions and CTAs. Now the engagement and the community. Engagement is the oxygen for visibility. Don't post and ghost. Reply to every comment and DM quickly. Use story stickers to drive interaction. Collaborate with influencers and run UGC campaigns to build trust for your customers. Instagram can be a powerful sales engine. If you want help making it official, registering your business, getting GST or setting up online payments, RegisterKaro can handle it end to end. So you can focus on content and customers. So click the link in the description or visit registerkaro.in and we'll help you to set up your Instagram business with ease. Also don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.